So we are studying remedy. बोलते हैं डॉक्टर साहब मेरे पैर में वात आता है, हाथ में आता है, इधर आता है. Think about the remedy. Cuprum Metallicum. 3 things to remember: spasmodic affections, blueness, and metallic taste. I give this remedy in cough where there is night aggravation, and ठंडा पानी पिए तो खांसी में अच्छा लगता है. Think about Cuprum. Mind, it is in the 4th row of periodic table. Mental symptoms ऐसा है, talking as if command. Convulsions, you see, the problem is convulsion ascending from knee upwards. During convulsion there is hiccup and the second thing is clenching of fingers, thumb inside fingers during convulsion. Last thing, after convulsion there is headache, and after convulsion there is dead. The patient lies as if he is dead. In children you see convulsions, the children lie down on abdomen and there is twitching on the buttock. Now you write Cuprum in the comment box and I will share you all the related remedies to Cuprum. Thank you.